Hi everyone, I'm here to tell you what dividends are. Welcome to this video on dividends. Today, we're going to learn about one of the most important concepts in the world of investing. I am Money Baby, a 23-year-old investor taking you along my investing journey, as well as helping you start your own investing journeys and help answer some of your questions along the way. Now, let's get started with the video. So what exactly are dividends? Dividends are a form of payment that companies make to their shareholders as a way of sharing profits. They are usually paid out in the form of cash or stock. Shareholders are people who own a portion of company stock. When a company earns profits, it can either reinvest those profits back into their business or distribute them to its shareholders. Companies typically distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. This is usually done on a quarterly basis, every 3 months, although some companies may pay out dividends annually or even monthly. The amount of the dividend is determined by the company's board of directors. They will decide on how much of the company's profits should be distributed to shareholders and how often. The amount of the dividend will be based on a number of factors, such as 1. The company's earnings, 2. Its financial position, and 3. Its future growth prospects. Dividends are an important way for companies to attract and retain investors. By paying out dividends, companies can show their investors that they are financially healthy and committed to sharing their profits to the public. Dividends are also an important source of income for investors. For many people, dividends are a way to earn passive income without having to actively trade stocks, which is what we are trying to do. Dividends can be a reliable source of income, especially for retirees or people looking to supplement their regular income. Many investors choose to invest in dividend-paying stocks as a way of building a portfolio that generates regular income. When investing in dividend-paying stocks, investors will often look at the dividend yield. The dividend yield is the amount of the dividend paid out as a percentage of the stock's price. A higher dividend yield can indicate that a stock is undervalued or that the company is committed to paying out a significant portion of its profits to shareholders. Some investors choose to reinvest their dividends back into the company by using a dividend and reinvestment plan, or better known as DRIP. With a DRIP, investors can automatically reinvest their dividends back into the company's stock, which can help to compound the returns over time, and their shares of that stock grows more and more every time. When choosing dividend-paying stocks, it's important to look at the company's dividend history. A company that has a consistent track record of paying and increasing its dividends may be a good choice for investors looking for reliable income, which we will talk about in another video. Some companies may even have a policy of increasing their dividends over time, which can be a very good sign. Now, what are the best dividends, you may ask? Watch this video for more investing information, and please like and subscribe for more.